Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's me, Yannick, back again today with another video. Today's video is a little bit different because I'll be showing you guys how to install Passion Twist. Yes, I'm no pro, I'm no hairdresser, but I can help myself clearly because this is the outcome of it. I really love it. I hope you guys do as well. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I do have 4C hair, so it's a bit hard to manage, so I have to blow dry it a bit so it's more manageable for me. So that's what I'm here doing. The items that you're going to need are your crochet needle, scissors, tail comb, rubber bands, hair gel, and 2 packs of Passion Twist braids. Alright guys, so I've already went ahead and made the first part at the back, and I've sectioned it into 3 portions. I'll be using the rubber band technique, so that's all I'll be doing right now, sectioning, parting my entire head off here, and then I'll start installing the braids. I'm also going to twist each row as I go along, just so my hair doesn't get tangled too much, because like I mentioned before, I do have 4C hair and it gets tangled easily. So to prevent all of that hassle again of having to comb it out thoroughly again, I'm just going to be twisting them as I go along, and it will be much easier for me, trust me. So yeah, that's what I'm here doing right now. This is optional, by the way. You don't have to do this if your hair is manageable. Alright, now for the fun part. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need one of these needles. As I mentioned before, all the items that you'll be needing. So you're going to need one of the crochet needles. You're going to push it through the first section of the hair. You're going to open the latch, by the way, before you push it through. So you open the latch, put it through, then you're going to get the hair. So what I'm going to do with my hair is I'm going to, because they come twist, the hair already come twist, so what you have to do is untwist it. So because you're actually going to retwist the hair, so you have to untwist it. And then, so I'm going to be using 2 portions. So I'm going to untwist the hair. I'm going to take the hair and latch it onto the crochet needle, close the latch, and then pull it through. So the section that you're currently working on, you're going to split it into 2. That's your natural hair, and then you're going to tighten it a bit, not too tight because you don't want to give yourself a headache now. So yeah, just so it can be neater and it looks way better and seamless. So once you've got the hair through and you level the hair and all of that, so you're going to separate your natural hair again, put 1/2 onto the Passion Twist, the other half onto the next end of the twist. Then you're going to twist it as if you're doing a rope twist. I hope you guys know how to do a rope twist. Yes, you're going to twist it as if you're doing a rope twist, and then you're going to twine it together. Yeah, and there you go, easy peasy. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so you basically just repeat this step for your entire head, and Baby, you doing it. You doing it. Alright guys, so as you would have noticed, I didn't apply any gel to the back part of the hair before applying the elastic band because I didn't really care much for the back to be as neat as the front. So the front portion, like probably about 2 to 3 rows to the front, towards the front, I did apply the gel before adding the rubber band just so it can be a bit neater. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So once again, you put your crochet needle through, you attach the hair, the passion twist here onto the crochet needle, close the latch, pull it through. So you twine the hair together in opposite directions. After doing so, you then twist it together. So you twist one in one direction, you twist the other end in another direction, so clockwise, anti-clockwise, then you rope it together. Ensure that you apply enough gel to your hair so it can you can twist seamlessly into the passion twist braid. As I said, I do have 4C here, so it will take more gel for my hair to blend into the passion twist braid as opposed to somebody with a 4B or a 4A hair type that would resemble the passion twist more. But my curl pattern is very fine, so I have to use the gel to mimic the pattern of the passion twist. So I add the gel from the roots all the way down to the end. As you can see, while I'm twisting, I tend to apply more gel, especially at the tip of my natural hair. The ends will be sticking out. If you don't apply enough gel, it will stick out, and that's not cute at all. So you ensure you add more gel at the tip of the hair just so it can just twist seamlessly into the passion twist braid. The top part where your natural hair is, you rope twist there just so it can blend in as tightly or as seamless as possible. But then once you're no longer using your natural hair and you're only using the passion twist, you can then go ahead and just twist it regularly just so you can maintain that bounce at the end of the hair and it's not as stiff, because when you rope your hair it does become stiff. But with passion twist, it's supposed to just be a little bit messy. It's not supposed to be perfect. That's why just about anybody can do this style.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just my head. I just need to clear my head.
Alright guys, and that's a wrap. It's not that time consuming. What takes up majority of the time is having to section off your hair, but once that part is out of the way, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. It doesn't take up much time, as long as you, like I say, you just get the sectioning out of the way. Then just installing the hair, that in itself doesn't take up much time. Honestly, it took me like probably, I'm going to say 40 minutes to install everything. Yeah, about 40 minutes. And you guys see the length, it's 18 inches, so it's not that short. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished product of my hair. I love it so much. So this is just one style of the many styles that you can do with this hair, because it is so versatile guys. So as y'all can see, I did a little half up, half down style. Yeah, and I'm feeling cute guys. This is gorgeous. Like, do you see these curls? Do you see them? Like, this hair, you can't tell me that I didn't go to the hairdresser and sit for like 5 hours to get my hair done. You can't tell me. Yeah guys, so this is it. It was so easy to install. I didn't need to hot water it. I didn't need to clip anything. I legit did not clip anything on the ends. Like, this is how the ends are looking. So the ends to basically just curl up, and yeah, this hair, you don't need to do much guys. So as I said, this is just one style that y'all can do. Can always pull it down. If I lost it there right now, can always pull it down. You can do like a half, like a center part, but I'm not a center part girl because baby, the 5 head. But yes, I'm not a center part. Like, you'll never ever see me wear a center part. But yeah, you can put it in the center. You can put it to the side. I'm a side part girl for sure. So yeah, you can rock it to the side, rock it in the center. You can do like a little side sweep vibe. You can put it over. You can even carry everything over. Let's do like a full-on side vibe, like so. You can also rock it like in a bun. You can also rock it like in a bun, like a little messy bun vibe. Yes guys, so this is the final product of the hair. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. Until next time guys, bye.